Okay, breaking a box of 2008 Score Select. 5 parallel cards and 6 rookie cards per box on average. 5 cards per pack, 20 packs per box. I believe in this one there are autographs in here also. Other than that, we're going to bust it. Let's see what we find in here. I know the 2008 Score, the regular set product wasn't worth much. Let's see what the Score Select looks like. 20 packs. Box is empty except for the insert. Good thing about Score is they don't put dummy cards in there. They don't put redemptions in there, not that I know of. So you can go and buy an older box and not have to worry about being killed by redemptions. Dontrelle Savage, inscriptions, first pack, first auto, numbered 161 out of 750, and then an Alan Patrick rookie, 633 of 999. Not bad. Dontrelle Savage, don't think he plays in NFL, don't think he ever did, but you know, it's better than not hitting anything. A lot of these boxes will be just base, or a lot of these packs will just be base. Dennis Northcutt, artist proof, numbered 26 of 32. That guy had a really long career and did nothing with it. Between the Browns and the Lions and the Jaguars. We got your base, Roddy White, David Patton, James Jones, future franchise of Wes Welker. Almost ironic because before he made it to the Patriots, he was the franchise of the Dolphins. Numbered 571 of 999. So it's not a future franchise if you've already really been a franchise player. Because who's the future at that time or of the Patriots is Tom Brady. Tom Brady gets hurt, they don't have a future. Urlacher, Greg Jennings, Joseph Adai, a Red Zone, Derek Mason, numbered 1 of 30. I always like hitting number ones. I like hitting 1 of ones better. I like the cards, they're kind of glossy, shiny, mirror effect. Rex Grossman, now plays with the Redskins. Plaxico Burress, Reggie Nelson, Alex Smith, Gold Zone, number 14 of 50. That might actually sell because the 49ers aren't terrible this year. And he's not absolutely terrible this year for some reason. Jim Harbaugh's got them playing pretty good. Base. The franchise, Randy Moss, 344 of 999. Franchise is sitting at home now, still collecting his money, I'm sure. At least he stays out of trouble now. Couldn't stay out of trouble when he's in the league. Now you don't know where he is. Julius Peppers, Miss Dumerville, Maurice Jones-Drew, Rodney Harrison, Gold Zone, 24 of 50. Still got a couple autographs I think to hit in here. John David Booty, rookie, numbered 671 of 999. JDB, don't believe he's in the league much. He might be, sitting behind McNabb and Ponder and anyone else up there, but I'm not for sure. Desmond Clark, Avion Cason, Randy Moss, Peyton Hillis, Now the stud with the Browns, number 294 of 999. Admitted the other day that he sat out a game because he didn't have a long-term contract. Wouldn't know why you would admit that, because it could end up ruining your career. But who knows? Hot rookies, Rashard Mendenhall, 616 of 999. Phone is ringing in the background, but I'm not going to get it right now. Drew Brees, Kellen Davis of the Bears, number 220 of 750. Xavier Adabi, number 20 of 100, because that is a scorecard. Kellen Davis, kind of having a rough year. Scored a touchdown the other night with the Bears. Scored, versus the Packers. Wish they would have kept Greg Olsen though. Base. Dexter Jackson, rookie. 525 of 999. The two rookies we hit definitely aren't going to pay for the box so far. Base. Kevin Curtis, definitely not a future franchise. Is he in the league right now? Who knows? Maybe somewhere, but not now. In 2008, he may have been a good enough player to label a future franchise. Kurt Warner. Eli Manning. Marcus Thomas, rookie. 371 of 999. Vince Young, bum on the back. Jamarcus Russell, ooh, big pack. Base. Adrian Arrington, number 123 is 750. Auto. Plays with the Saints, so he's not too bad. Jay Cutler, when he was with the Broncos, wish he was still there, not with the Bears nowadays. Jason Witten, scorecard, number 40 of 100. Dogs are running around outside. Farmers are driving up and down the road. Larry Fitzgerald, Lance Briggs, Matt Jones, future franchise, scorecard. Derek Anderson, who has since been to the Cardinals and I believe is now with the Panthers, number 10 of 100. One good year gets you a future franchise tag with score. I wish I could work for a card company and label people as future franchises, because I'd be more accurate than they are. Devin Hester, there's a future franchise. Ryan Grant, Peyton Manning. Ali Highsmith, rookie, 287 out of 999. The ageless Bobby Ingram on the end. Two packs left. Hot rookies, Dexter Jackson. I think this is the third Dexter Jackson I hit today out of my boxes. 860 of 999. I think I've only opened 4 boxes and I hit a jersey and other stuff with him. And last pack of this box, Jarius Norwood, Kevin Walter, Bobby Wade. Young stars, Justin Fargas. Once again, they are wrong. 679 out of 999. That's about it. Kind of recapping. Adrian Arrington, Kellen Davis, and Dontrell Savage autos. Alright, thanks.